is full of nutrients, low in calories, and to top it all, delicious. In my home, we eat seafood twice a week and fish at least once a week. I hope to inspire you to do the same. It is time to change the way you see seafood with me, Yulani, and Breko's Seafood School. You can keep frozen fish fillets or portions in your freezer to thaw and cook for a super convenient dinner on the table in no time. But sometimes you may want to cook or braai a whole fish. So next up, I'm going to show you how to take a whole fish from the ocean to your plate. So, life jackets on, here we go! The first step to filleting a whole fish is to lightly scrape the scales off the fish with a fish scaler or a serrated knife. Today I'm working with yellowtail, and this particular fish does not require a lot of descaling, so it might just be a walk in the park. I'm using a serrated knife, and as you can see, the scales are coming off pretty easy. There we go, all done. Now I'm gonna give it a rinse. There, done! The next step is to cut open the belly to remove the internal organs. Now it's time to rinse your fish thoroughly again. Once gutted like this, your fish can be stuffed and baked in the oven. It is also ready for the braai. You can choose to cut the head off or not. To cut it off, make a long cut around the head and just behind the gills. Don't throw away the head, it can make a delicious stock, broth or curry. To cut your fish into fillets, lay the fish on its side with the head facing away from you. Now turn the knife parallel to the spine and cut along the backbone from the head to the tail, using smooth, sweeping motions. As you cut, use your free hand to pull the fillet away from the bones to keep the blade close to the backbone. To remove the fillet, flip the fillet away from the fish once you reach the tail and cut through the skin, separating the fillet from the rest of the fish. Flip the fish and repeat the process on the other side. Remove the rib bones by trimming the fillet along the rib bones, angling the knife slightly to separate the flesh from the bones. Finally, trim any excess fat or thin belly flaps from the fillets. If you like, you can remove the skin by sliding the knife between the skin and flesh while holding the tail. There you have it, beautiful fish fillets, and all you need is a knife or two and the skills you learned right here at Breko's Seafood School. Now head over to our video, How to Cook Fish, to awaken your inner master chef and cook some delicious fish dishes.